Hi, today I'm ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should click here to install. And wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just let's click to open the apps, click yes I agree, be close, tap to OK in the just left down corner, and here we can see information about the health of our device battery. This is the good in my case, and here we can find here more information like the battery capacity level, just temperature, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.